the introduction of digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others made one thing clear to researchers: the blockchain is setting down deep roots. With this certainty of calculation mastery, the cryptographers and researchers stayed at work longer than required to make a novel digital money that could hold an incentive at a brilliant future cost, empowering taking credit, making installments, and all in replaceable neighborhood monetary standards. Before we start with point-by-point Nexo cost expectation, how about we really look at coin outline? What makes Nexo extraordinary? Nexo is a blockchain-based loaning stage that gives digital money-upheld credits to clients. These advances don't need a FICO rating, and this element makes it an alluring choice for clients. With the Nexo stage, clients store upheld crypto resources for procure a moment credit in 45+ government-issued types of money. Check total Nexo survey here. After saving, a credit line opens up and no credit check is essential. Clients can spend from their credit line whenever by the Nexo card or pull out straightforwardly to their ledger. The whole system of Nexo depends on two standards: 1. Versatility of exchanges, 2. Working with a smooth coordination with different applications. It appears Nexo will thoroughly change the worldwide skyline of installments and furthermore is a wise venture choice. A remarkable element of Nexo has been the carrying out of free virtual cards that likewise permit no restriction changes of monetary forms. These cards can be utilized for limits, and the best advantage clients determine is they can pay in their nearby monetary standards. Nexo specialized investigation. Like other cryptographic forms of money, Nexo also is to a great extent reliant upon value development and request and supply, and is profoundly weak despite the fact that it depends on blockchain calculations. Specialists fluctuate as they would see it about the commitments Nexo holds in the years to come, in light of verifiable information. Not long after Nexo showed up on trade in 2018, its most memorable large flood came in among April and May. The cost of Nexo rose from 55 cents to 98 cents, a significant leap that mirrored a tremendous measure of early financial backer interest. Be that as it may, it checked nearly flattish force till September 2020. Afterward, the cost of Nexo had moved up above 73 cents. However, at that point, it confronted a slight revision and retested the 50 cents mark. Shockingly, in the coronavirus stage, the verifiable information shows when any remaining monetary standards exhibited a bleak execution. The Nexo cost has displayed solidness, acquiring financial backer certainty, showing an extraordinary flood in energy with no Nexo cost drop. Understanding starting from the start of this current year, the cost of Nexo has been ceaselessly rising, and as of late, it has denoted an untouched high of $4.05. Notwithstanding, subsequent to hitting $4.05, Nexo cost dip under $1.50, and at present, it recuperates around the $2 mark with a week-by-week value change of 27%. Nexo value expectation by specialists being recorded on most of trades gives Nexo a maintainability advantage that impacts Nexo estimate contrasted with conventional monetary forms. The ongoing cost of Nexo waits around $2.29 with a 24H value change of 0.41% and a 24 hours volume of $12,158,815.42 with a market cap of $1,282,880,480.52. There is at present a circling supply of 560,011 Nexo tokens on the planet. In view of our expectations from the ongoing cost of Nexo, a drawn-out increment is expected. The Nexo cost visualization for 2027 is $9.30. With a 5-year speculation, the income is supposed to be around plus 306.33%, according to the Estimate Information Investigation. The cost of Nexo is supposed to cross the degree of $2.30. Before the year's over, Nexo is supposed to arrive at a most extreme degree of $3.20. Financial backers and holders of crypto resources should know the cost of Nexo in 2022. Taking into account our Nexo conjecture, specialized examination, and market refreshes, many tasks reaching fulfillment by year's end, overall around greatest cost expectation of $5 cannot be precluded for Nexo, making it a productive interest in the cryptographic money market contrasted with government-issued types of money. Nexo gauge of cost sounds exceptionally bullish in the future as it has shown a dependable consistency. Toward the finish of 2022, the Nexo USD cost could undoubtedly swing around $2.58, settling on trade choices to acquire benefits in Nexo. The future cost of Nexo could cross $2.93 in 1 year. Nexo conjecture completely relies upon the value development and feeling. The cost of Nexo could reach $4.77 toward the finish of 2022. being founded on specialized investigation. The cost of Nexo holds positive opinion for the impending months. The Nexo value change might reach $5.61 toward the finish of 2022. In spite of the fact that Nexo cost expectations for the time of 2022 to 2026 are nonpartisan as far as development, the drawn-out standpoint for Nexo appears to be positive to date. There is a ton coming up for financial backers as expressed by specialists. Nexo costs might proceed upwards, crossing $2.75 by 2022 end and soaring all through the remainder of the year, acquiring financial backer help and hopeful figures. Nexo value forecast 2022, keeping up pair with a similar bullish pattern. There are expectations that the Nexo cost is ready for a rise even in the year next, for example 2022. The cost of Nexo also will run parallelly on a similar bullish pattern, lines contacting the $2-3 mark in light of cost forecast. Nexo value forecast 2023, going by the investigation of more limited and longer Nexo cost patterns. Almost certainly, the finish of 2022 or the year 2023 may not be completely ideal for Nexo for acceleration, particularly with rivals finding intensity or markets playing find the stowaway. There is a determined possibility of the Nexo crash to $3.61 once more. Nexo value expectation 2024, expressing that a stunning chance doesn't exist in view of expectation at the cost of Nexo, and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is by and by expected that Nexo will control the crypto realm, killing BTC predominance with a presentation of cost fixed at $3.94. Nexo can possibly support as well as reliably fill even in antagonistic circumstances, principally in view of areas of strength for it. Nexo value forecast 2025. The current year's expectations could check as the benchmark year, as the cost of Nexo is guanched to outperform $4.62 definitely. Basically, in light of the fact that this year no urgent variables like pandemic or downturn are expected to shake the underlying foundations of world economy, and it is normal that a large portion of the harm done would be on street to fix working every single world economy. Nexo value forecast 2026, as indicated by our Nexo cost conjecture in view of specialized examination and past information. This digital money could leap to about $4.59 by December 2026. Nexo value forecast past 2026. Master financial backers of computerized coins generally plan for the long haul instead of the transient cost development. With a touch of persistence and keeping the expectations high in the drawn-out figures, financial backers can expect a circle back toward the finish of 2026 as the reception of Nexo would fill dramatically as far as cost and market cap. By when Nexo would not anymore a guileless contestant in the realm of cryptographic forms of money, yet a carefully prepared player. Does Nexo have a future? Nexo is a digital currency that has a brilliant and splendid future. Riding the crypto wave, it will run the computerized realm, thus for of installment, it would have a long rule. Indeed, even virtual entertainment stages like Twitter and Facebook affirm the Nexo strength over BTC predominance. Is putting resources into Nexo a smart thought? Indeed, as per our Nexo cost gauge, putting resources into it will be smart at the ongoing cost level. Notwithstanding, an expected level of effort is generally prudent. There ought not be any heartbreak